In today's fast-paced world, staying focused feels impossible. Notifications, emails, endless tabs. It's chaos out there, isn't it? We spend half our day just trying to figure out what to do next, losing precious hours to distractions that pull us away from deep work. But what if your workflow could flow again? Introducing FocusFlow, the AI-powered productivity app designed to help you reclaim your time. FocusFlow doesn't just list your tasks, it understands them. Our smart AI analyzes your deadlines and energy levels to prioritize your day automatically. Need deep focus? Turn on flow mode. We intelligently silence interruptions and block distracting apps, creating a sanctuary for your best work. Users report a 30% boost in efficiency within their first week. It's not just about doing more, it's about doing what matters stress-free. Whether you're working solo or leading a team, FocusFlow adapts to your style, ensuring everyone stays aligned and on track. Track your progress with beautiful, simple analytics. See exactly where your time goes and celebrate your productivity wins every day. And yes, it plays nice with others. FocusFlow integrates seamlessly with the tools you already use, making the transition effortless. Join thousands of professionals who have already switched to a smarter way of working. Stop managing chaos and start managing your focus. Simple, intuitive, and powerful. It's the personal assistant you've always wanted, right in your pocket. Ready to find your flow? Download FocusFlow today on the App Store or Google Play and start your free 14-day trial. FocusFlow. Redefine your productivity.